In the last video, we cleaned up our CSS and added some visual polish. The project now looks clean and professional. In this video, we will do the same thing for JavaScript. We are not adding new features, we are just organizing our code. Right now, our JavaScript is still inside the HTML file. That's completely fine for small projects. But as projects grow, we usually move JavaScript into its own file. Nothing new here. We are just moving existing code into its own file. The page still works exactly the same. That's important. Organization should not change behavior. Separating JavaScript makes project easier to manage. HTML handles structure. CSS handles styling. JavaScript handles behavior. Keeping them separate makes code easier to read and maintain. Now our project has 3 files. Each file has one responsibility. This is how most real front-end projects are structured. We started with a simple page, then we added interaction, then we cleaned and organized the code. This is real front-end progress. If this series helps you, consider subscribing. Next, we'll continue building on this foundation. Let's build front-end faster.